Okay, let's see how we can sort the list of integer using Java 8 using Stream API. So you just need to create the list of integer which I've created. Then you need to stream it. Then just you need to call sorted. Just collect it in the collection.toList. So the moment you do this, it will be sorted. If you want to assign this on some variable and check, you just need to do system.out.println and just print the variable. The moment I run it, we'll see whether it's sorted or not. Sorry, it's running a different one. Let me just switch to this particular class and then run it. You see this has been sorted. We'll see in the next tutorial how we can sort it in descending order.